Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen out in Red Rock Canyon on a very bright sunny day. During my trip to San Diego Expo, I got to stop by the NiSI. I'm not sure if it's a store or a warehouse or a meeting location, but I had a nice hour and 20-minute meeting with them. And I decided to try out the NiSI S6 for Sigma 1424 filter system. I also have the True Color Nano ND, which goes along with this. I have it, my 1424 on my FX3, so we're going to try, or I'm going to try to open this up, rotate the camera, and see if I can get it on. Recording with my FX30, I have 3 audio sources. I have a Sony going into the FX3, but going out to the Mix Pre 3. That's what we're recording now. I also have a DJI mic on the FX30, and I also have a Tentacle Track E, 3 audios, all time coded Tentacle sync. So first thing I'm gonna do is going to try to open up the NiSI S6 and put it on my 1424. So let's see if we can do that. Unboxing outside took me about an hour and a half to set up. Got the minivan, Chrysler Pacifica. So if you don't like minivans, which I don't, but if you have a lot of luggage, I took a flight from LA to Las Vegas. Took a flight from LA to Las Vegas after going to San Diego Expo. So in the box comes this case. We'll put this in the back of the car. Inside the case, inside the case is the filter holder. NiSI it rotates around, and if I'm going to remember, going to have to see how we can put this on. Rotate the camera. Let's see if I can do it. It's pretty cool. So you put on a silver ring. To lock it, you rotate to your left clockwise. To unlock it, you rotate to your right. Right comes off. Left locks. Very, very cool. So we want to see if we can get this off. Remember they telling me how to do this. Of course, I don't remember how. On the back it says lock, unlock. So let's see if we can unlock it. There we go. So on the back of this, if this little silver part, you loosen up. By loosening it up, it allows you to lift it up to unlock. So we're going to put this to the side. This is the Nano ND filter, True to Life Color by NiSI. This goes with the system, brand new. don't do many unboxings, especially and this is my very first one. So this has the main part, which is to the Sigma 1424. Then you have this filter drop in the filter, and then you have this. So I'm not exactly sure what goes where, but we're doing this together. So the filter goes in this tray holder right here. So it slides in from the top. So the filter's in. So the NiSI system has a really cool filter cap. You rotate, you screw on the ND filter till it stops. Then you have these wheels on it so you can rotate it. So we're going to put this on the FX30 Sigma 1424. But before I do that, I'm going to do a video. I have the white balance on cloudy. It's a cloudy overcast day. I have the white balance on cloudy on the FX30. I can't see anything because my glasses are dark, so all I can see is the exposure, plus and minus, and the histogram. So the histogram is not extreme to the left or the right, it's pretty much in the middle. This is without a filter. We are at 60th of a second, f22, ISO 125. So this is 1. 1 means no filter. No filter, Red Rock Canyon, overcast, cloudy. Now I'm going to put on the True Color NC CPL for the S6 system by NiSI. Little notches. So you have to have the notches allowing the top and bottom to go all the way through. It's going to be blown out on the edges, but you should be able to see that you have to have the 1424 Sigma like built-in lens shade. Now I'm recording on the FX3 with the system properly engaged. We are at F14, F11, just rotating the filter. It says it's +1. I'm gonna pop in there, see if I can see my eyes, but I do have glasses on. So we're gonna see FX3 just to see if it can do focusing with the filter. Hopefully it does. Very happy so far. Before I let go, I'm going to turn it so it's locked. So now I can't see anything. So this is with the polarizer and the 6 stops. We're at F14. Now we are at 2.8. Okay, here I am in front of the Red Rock Canyon. FX30 on my left, no filter system. FX3, we have the NiSI. A couple more things I got from NiSI was a step-up ring, 68 to 82, because I have the Tamron 11 to 20, 2.8. So I put the step-up ring. Now I have the neutral density filter, 1 to 5 stops, which I have on the front, which this is nice because it has hard stops. So put this back here. I'll have the things pop up so we know what they are. So we have the True Color 1 through 6. I'm going to hit record on the FX30. We are at 60 of a second. One ISO is 160. ISO is 160, 3.2. Shutter is 60. So this is no, or I believe probably just 1. And just going to rotate, which is now gives us +3, plus 1.3. Now I come over here for a double camera angle. So we have the FX3 in the back, jerry-rigged to a pole or a wooden thing, what it was called, FX30 with the NiSI filter, and I also have a black mist, which I'll go snag right now. So I added the NiSI black mist. I believe it's 1/8. So hopefully this is a good video. Came outside to one of the best places outside Las Vegas, Red Rock Canyon. Got a great parking space. Got the minivan. We have a light stand by SMDV, which I using to hold up the FX30 camera with the Manfrotto magic lamp. We have the FX30, a Tamron 11 to 20, 2.8. We have the NiSI 5-stop neutral density filter, variable neutral density with the black mist. iPhone, no neutral density filters. iPhone camera, using my iWatch to see where it is. So we got the iPhone, no neutral density, FX30 with a 5-stop neutral density with a black mist. And in the back, we have FX3 with a polarizer, no neutral density, 6-stop. I should have got the 3-stop too. So we outside, I'm burning. So this is Walter Van Dusen, Las Vegas, Nevada, outside of Red Rock Canyon. I'm gonna do some B-roll because it's gorgeous. My sunglasses are polarized glasses, regular prescription glasses. So for me, everything looks amazing. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll with each one of the cameras showing the black mist with the variable neutral density on the FX30 and also the infrared one on the FX3 with the 1424. Jerry-rigged everything, but I got it to work. Hopefully you like this type of content. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like seeing more of me out and about, please let me know. Trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers, plus watch minutes or watch hours. Putting a lot of effort into these videos, so hopefully by you liking and subscribing, it shows that I'm on the right path. So Walter Van Dusen from Lexington, Mass. Heading back to Boston on Monday, but this video will happen after my return. So have a great day. It's nice as I can go to F4. The exposure index is 0. Back down to 3.5. This is the location, the minivan. Hopefully we have audio. Minivan. Very short drive outside Las Vegas. Red Rock Canyon. Got lucky I found this pretty isolated place. It's a hiking location, looks like. And this is the FX30 with a Tamron 11 to 22.8. 5-stop neutral density with the black mist. J-rigged on this SMDV stand. Manfrotto clamp. And that worked out really well. And we'll just do a little bit of B-roll. Out and about. On the 1424. Still recording. My A camera set up. And gotta show this off. With the view right here. B-roll. Cloud. And jerry rig set up with the eye footage. So felt very comfortable. All right, so talk to you guys later.